The sun is shining on a green meadow. A group of squirrels is playing tag and jumping through the grass. Solomon is watching them, but he is holding a single, perfect, golden acorn, while the other squirrels eat their snacks immediately. Solomon finds a special spot near a large, gray rock. He uses his paws to dig a small hole. He whispers, "I will save this for later," and tucks the acorn away. The seasons start to change. Every day, while others are napping, Solomon is busy. He finds one extra nut and adds it to his secret spot. He is building his savings one nut at a time. Solomon realizes that if he just hides the nuts, they stay as nuts. He decides to invest. He moves some of his acorns to a patch of soft, dark soil and plants them deep underground where they can grow. The sky turns gray and the wind gets cold. Solomon is hungry and wants to dig up his investment. He sits by the big rock, looking at the dirt. He tells himself, "I must wait," and chooses to be patient. Winter passes and spring arrives. Solomon looks at the ground and sees tiny green stems poking out of the dirt. His investments are starting to turn into little saplings. A fast-forward montage. The sun rises and sets quickly. Solomon grows older and stronger. The tiny green sprouts grow taller and thicker, until they are no longer twigs, but young trees. Solomon stands in the middle of a magnificent forest of giant oak trees. These are the trees he planted years ago. They are covered in thousands of new, fresh acorns. Solomon invites all his squirrel friends over. They are amazed. There is enough food for everyone. Solomon is huge rich not just because of the food, but because he has a safe, beautiful home to share. Solomon leans back against the very first tree he planted, snacking on an acorn he grew. He looks at his friends and smiles, knowing that saving, investing, and waiting made his big dreams come true.